Hello children, how are you? I hope so. You all are fine and safe at home. Myself Atika Kudle. Children, today we are going to study book of wellness subject. So open your book, get ready. Now open page number 18. Did you all open your wellness book? Very good, very nice. Children, today we are going to study a new topic, that is keeping organized. Keeping organized means what? I'll explain you. Okay? See here. This is Monu and this is Sonu. Monu, Sonu. Now what Monu does? Monu and Sonu, what they are doing is here. Monu is keeping his each and everything very properly, and Sonu is not keeping his things properly. He is throwing his things anyway as he wants. He is not keeping his things properly. But Sonu is keeping it, Monu is keeping his things. For example, look here. Books are lying here. See, can you see? Books are lying over here. All are just thrown here and there. Isn't it? Should we throw the books like this? Yes, children? No, we should not throw the books like this. What we have to do then? You have to arrange the books properly. See, like this. Arrange all the books. Okay? Now, what you will do? Pick up these books and keep it in your school bag. Keep it in your school bag. You have to throw the books at your home as you like, in hall, in bedroom, in kitchen room. Anywhere your books are lying. Is it a good thing? No, it is not a good thing. Then where should you keep your things? You should keep your things at their proper place. For example, just now we have seen books were lying. So what we have done? We have collected all the books, and now what we are doing? We are keeping the books in our school bag. Isn't it? Then after that, what we are going to do? We are going to close the chain. Isn't it? This is called organized things. This is called things to be organized. Okay. Now, next thing. Your sketch pens are lying here and there. See? Sketch pens are lying here. Should they lie here? Yes. Like this you have to throw the sketch pens. No, you should not throw your things, because you need afterwards, when you are going to do art and craft work, at that time you need this thing. So what you are going to do? You are going to throw like this only, as you want? No, we shouldn't do this. Then what we are going to do? We are going to keep the sketch pens in this packet like this. Like this, you have to arrange all the sketch pens in this sketch pen packet. So what is this called? Yes? Organizing things. See, so nicely we have arranged it. Isn't it? Whenever you need these colors, you can take this sketch pen color packet and you can use it. Isn't it? So this is called well organized things. Your toys are lying here. See, as you want, you throw your toys. What you do? You throw your toys wherever you want. At home, wherever you play, you just throw your toys and you go away. Then is it a good thing? If toys are lying like this, and by mistakenly you are coming fast or you are running at home, what will happen then? You will stamp these toys and you may fall. After falling, you may get hurt also, isn't it? So should we throw our toys like this? No, we should not throw our toys like this anywhere. After playing, what you have to do? You have to take a toy box. Take the toy box. Keep all the toys properly in this box. Keep the toys properly in this box like this. Okay? And keep it in the shelf. Isn't it? What we have done? We have organized our toys properly. Now nobody will fall. So children, what Sonu was doing? Sonu was keeping his things well organized. But Monu is not organizing his things. He is just throwing. As he wants, he throws. Whenever he needs, he uses the things, and after that, he just throw them like that and he go for playing. Then who is a good boy? Monu or Sonu? Yes? Monu or Sonu? Yes, who is a good boy? Correct, Monu is a good boy. Why? He is keeping his thing well organized, isn't it? So clap hands for Monu. Yes, children? Clap hands for Monu. Very good, Monu. Like this only, you too have to keep your things at home also. So, all are ready? Now, look at the book. Now, see children, what is the name of the lesson? Keeping organized. Keeping organized. Just now I have explained, the things which you are using, you have to keep those things or that things at their proper place. You have to manage them properly. Okay. That is called keeping organized. Let's see. Make your bed. Make your bed means what? See, when you get up early in the morning, what happens? Your pillow is lying on the bed, isn't it? And the bed sheet you take when you go for sleep, you just put it on your body to cover it from cold or from mosquitoes, isn't it? You cover your body with the bed sheet. When you get up early in the morning, all these bed sheet, pillows are lying on the bed like that only. Then what you have to do? As soon as you get up early in the morning, you should, what do you have to do? Yes, you have to keep your bed properly. You have to fold your bed sheet, isn't it? And keep it at a proper place. Clean your bed. Okay, this is called keeping organized your bed, keeping your things neatly and tidy. Next is put your toys in their place. Just now I have shown you, if you will throw your toys here and there, you may fall. So, in spite of throwing your toys here and there, what you have to do? You have to take a box. You have to take a box and you have to fill all your toys in this box and keep it under your bed, or shelf is there, you can keep that shelf in that shelf also. Okay. Next is put your books on the bookshelf. See, your books are lying here and there. So what you have to do? You have to collect all the books and you have to keep it in the bookshelf. Put dirty clothes to wash. See, if your clothes are dirty, you have wearing your clothes for full day, or you are going outside in a playground to play, at that time your clothes get dirty. As soon as you come home, you change your clothes. You wash your face, hand, and then what you do? You change your clothes. When you are changing your clothes, you remove your dirty clothes and wear clean clothes. When you remove this dirty clothes, what you have to do? You don't have to throw these dirty clothes on the floor. You have to take this dirty clothes and put it in a washing machine. Okay, or you can keep this dirty clothes in a bucket also. Now next is fold clean clothes. After washing this dirty clothes, you dry the clothes, isn't it? After drying the clothes, what you have to do? You have to fold your clothes properly and you have to arrange these folding clothes in your cupboard. Your cupboard is there, no? In that you have to arrange your clothes properly. Okay, children. Now we are going to match this. Now children, we are going to match the pair. Okay, make your bed. Where is make your bed? See the picture over here? Yes, it is there. So draw a line and match it. Okay. Now afterwards, put your toys in their place. Put your toys in their place. Okay. See, sentences are given over here. You have to match them at the correct picture. Next is put your books on the bookshelf. See, this boy is collecting all the books and is going to keep the books in their proper place. Now, after that, put dirty clothes to wash. See, this girl is putting her dirty clothes in the bucket to wash it. Okay. Now, after that, what you have to do? You have to fold your clean washed clothes. See, these girls are folding the clothes which are cleanly washed. Okay? Did you all understood how to keep your things at proper place? How you have to organize yourself? Okay, children, did you understood how Monu is keeping his things at proper places? How Monu is organizing his own things. So you too have to follow the same instructions. Okay? Till then, bye. Take care.